Hey everyone, my name is Rennie and today I will be showing you how to look after and maintain your Kinky Coarse extensions from toallmyblackgirls.com. The Kinky Coarse texture is the most difficult of the textures that we offer to look after. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll see how amazing this hair is. This hair that I'm going to be revamping today, it had been sitting in a bag for quite a while, so you will see that it does take quite a bit of extra TLC in order to get it back to the way it was before. So just stay tuned and I hope this helps. So we're going to need a shampoo. I chose this one by Tresemme. I chose this moisture rich conditioner as well as the Salon silk conditioner, just because I was running out of the moisture rich one. And I also used this argan oil conditioner. I will say that a moisture rich conditioner is advisable. Maybe even a sulfate free conditioner and shampoo. If you are going to go for a sulfate free one, then I recommend Cantu. I use that on my natural hair and it works wonders, especially for keeping my hair moisturized. So as you can see, I have just wet the hair generously and I am finger detangling it. I try to always remember to detangle from the bottom upwards. And as you can see, because this hair was sitting in a bag for quite a while, it is leading to some knots at the bottom of it, but don't let that put you off. As this is Kinky Coarse hair, it's very much like our natural hair and it knots very easily, which is why I suggest detangling the hair whilst it is wet. And I'll take a pea-sized amount of shampoo and work it through the hair. If the hair that you have isn't as lackluster as this one, if it doesn't need that much TLC, then you don't necessarily need to use the shampoo. You can just skip straight to the conditioner and just co-wash the hair instead. So I'm now rinsing off the shampoo. Then I'm going to take all three of the conditioners and work it generously through the hair. You want to saturate the hair in conditioner in order to just keep it as moisturized as possible. Less is not more in this case. Just use as much as possible. I did the same thing for all of the extensions that I had. If your hair doesn't need as much care and attention as these bundles did, then you can just go ahead and do them all together. If not, then do it separately, just so you can make sure you get all of the knots out and detangle the hair properly. I'm also placing the hair in a bag so I can keep it in there to lock in the moisture and just let it condition. And people can leave it for about an hour or two or overnight if they have time. You just need to fold the bag over, there's no need to tie it or anything. So you will need a leave-in conditioner of your choice. I opted for this Sheer Moisture one because it's very lightweight, so I don't feel like I'm overloading the hair with product. You will also need some type of curl enhancing souffle or gel, and you will also need an oil to help seal in the moisture. This argan oil one gives the hair a really nice shine and it's also very lightweight. If you do opt for something like castor oil, then I suggest maybe using a little bit less oil so the hair isn't overloaded. It's best to do this whilst the hair is still slightly damp. I'm going to be using the LCO method to moisturize the hair. So that stands for liquid, cream and then oil. So this is what the hair looks like after I've rinsed out the conditioner, having left it in for about 2 hours, and I've let the hair air dry for a little bit. This is what the curl pattern looks like. So the LCO method is really good for helping to seal in moisture. So what we are going to do is take some of the leave-in conditioner and work it through the hair. You don't need to overload the hair with product, because as you use it, you'll continue adding product to it to keep it refreshed. A tip for when you do use your clip-ins or your bundles, for when you have it installed, if you mix some water, some conditioner and some oil in a spray bottle and use that to spray onto the hair, it will help to rejuvenate the hair. So just work it through the hair. Next, we will take some of the curl enhancing smoothie. This will just help to really define the curl pattern. We'll then take a little bit of the oil. Now you can use any oil you like. On my natural hair I use castor oil, but coconut oil, argan oil, almond oil, whatever oil works for you is fine. And we'll also work that through the hair. This will help to keep the hair moisturized, because with kinky coarse hair it tends to look very dry, so this will help to counteract that a little bit. But also, just because the hair looks dry doesn't mean it is dry. Just work it through. You can see the shine that the hair has got to it now. It looks very moisturized and it looks full of life. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please don't forget to visit toallmyblackgirls.com to see the range of natural textured extensions that we offer. And please, please, please don't write off kinky coarse hair, because there's always a way to bring it back to life.
If you're interested in natural hair extensions, make sure you visit toallmyblackgirls.com. Make sure you support black owned businesses and put money back into the black community. Subscribe!